Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So dalam video ini saya akan discuss ITT1 SEM2 paper chemistry. Okay, this video I will discuss about the structure question. Okay. Okay, for the question number 1, okay, table 1 shows the electron arrangement of 4 elements. Okay, so based on the table, okay, there are 4 elements given with electron arrangement. Okay, with the electron arrangement, and for the W element, W have a 283 electron arrangement, X 287, Y 2882, and Z is 24. Okay, so this electron arrangement is very important because it will give you information about the group and the period of that element. As example, W have 3 valence electron. 3 valence electron, meaning that W are located at the group 13. Okay, group 13 and located at the period number 3. Okay, X located at group 17, Y located at group 2, Z located at group 14. Okay, so regarding to the electron arrangement, we can identify that W is metal. Okay, metal because valence electron is 3. X is non-metal. X is non-metal. Y is metal, and Z is non-metal. Okay, remember that valence electron, okay, 1 from 3 is metal. Okay, valence electron, okay, 4 until 7 is non-metal. Okay, alright, so for the question A1, okay, atom W and X can react to form a compound. Okay, so when the question asks, okay, state the type of compound. Type of compound only have 2 compound. Okay, ionic compound or covalent compound. Don't answer other than that. Alright, so how to identify the answer is ionic or covalent compound? Okay, so here you have to recall back. Okay, ionic compound are made up from the metal and non-metal. Okay, metal and non-metal, and covalent are made up from non-metal and non-metal. Okay, so the atom W and atom X. Okay, W, okay, we are already jot down here. Okay, metal and X is non-metal, so metal and non-metal will form ionic compound. Okay, another method is you can write down, okay, below the answer, okay, electron arrangement of W and electron arrangement of X. Okay, if the valence electron 1 until 3, this is metal, and if the valence electron 4 until 18 or 17, this is non-metal. Okay, so the answer have 1 mark. Okay, question number 2, draw the electron arrangement of the compound form. Okay, so to answer this question, electron arrangement, okay, electron arrangement meaning that you have to draw the electron, the diagram of atom, okay, including the number of shell and electron and its charge. Okay, so first you have to write the chemical formula. Okay, write to the chemical formula. Before you write the chemical formula, you must know the charge for W and X. So W have 3 positive, X have X negative charge. Okay, why? Because, okay, W have 3 valence electron, and it has tendency to donate valence electron to form positive ion. So if it donate 3 valence electron, it will become 3 positive. Okay, if the X need 1 more electron to achieve octet electron arrangement, so when it gain 1 electron, so it will become negative particle or negative ion. What is mean by negative? Negative meaning that electron more than proton. Positive charge meaning that electron less than proton. Okay, so now after we identify the charge for each ion, Okay, now we can use a cross method, and the formula is WX3. Okay. Okay, now which atom or ion are located at the center? Okay, the least number of atom will located at the center. In this case, W ni lebih sedikit daripada X, jadi W akan letak di tengah-tengah dan X akan berada di sekeliling. So W will become central atom and X will become surrounding atom. Okay, so okay, this is the answer. Okay, kalau kamu tengok ada dua markah. Apa maksud dua markah? Okay, first for your charge, if your charge is correct, you will gain 1 mark, and if your number of electron and number of shell is correct, you will gain the second mark. Okay, so X are located at the center because it just consists of one W ion. Okay, and make sure the number of electron of X and number of shell of X is correct, and then X have 288 electron arrangement, so it have a 3 number of shell and have a negative charge. Okay, most of students are always do mistake by drawing just 2 number of shell for X. Actually it must have 3 number of shell of X. Okay, so as I highlight here, okay, if you correct the number of charge, you will gain 1 mark, and if the number of electron and number of shell of each ion is correct, you will gain the second mark. Okay. Okay, next question B. Okay, atom X also can react with the atom Z to form a compound. Okay, so first you must write the electron arrangement for X and W. Okay, so for X and W, okay, X and W, X287, Z24. Okay, as we discussed before, okay, X and Z have is a non-metal because the valence electron is 4 and 7. Okay, more than 3. Okay, so state the type of bond. If the question asks about bond, so you have answer bond. If you answer compound, the answer is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Correct answer is covalent bond. Don't answer covalent compound. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Covalent bond, not covalent compound. Alright, so it depends on the question. If the question asks about the type of compound, so answer covalent compound. If the question asks type of bond, answer covalent bond. Okay, so 1 mark. Okay, next. Question number 2. Okay, Zikri had conducted an experiment to study the electrical conductivity of 2 different compounds. Table 2 shows the observation from 4 sets of experiment. So we have a 4 set, and which is the first set use electrolyte as compound X. Okay, as we see from the diagram, okay, after hitting with the Bunsen burner, the bulb did not light up. Okay, in a molten state, it still cannot carry electricity. Why? First, okay, you must jot down on your paper. Okay, why it cannot carry electricity? First, because it exists as molecule and don't have free moving ion. Okay, in terms of carrying electricity, it related to the free moving ion. Okay, alright, for the set B, which is we use a compound Y, and when heated with Bunsen burner, the bulb lights up. Okay, meaning that it can carry electricity. So why it can carry electricity? Because compound Y is ionic compound. Okay, because ionic compound cannot carry electricity in molten state, but after heated with Bunsen burner, now it exists as molten state. In molten state, now it has a free moving ion. Okay, for the set C, X mixed with the propanon. Okay, what is propanon? Propanon is organic solvent. Okay, so as we know, compound X is covalent, of course cannot carry electricity, and organic solvent also is covalent and cannot carry electricity. That's why bulb did not light up. Okay, why it cannot carry electricity? Because it exists as molecule and no free moving ion. And okay, we have compound Y is ionic but still cannot carry electricity because propanon is organic solvent. Okay, we call back the properties of ionic compound in solid state. It just dissolve in water. Okay, other than that it cannot dissolve. So that's why you can see that there are presence of precipitate at the bottom of the beaker. Okay, precipitate here. Okay, precipitate. Okay, because compound Y cannot dissolve in propanon, meaning that it exists as solid and no free moving ion, and of course cannot carry electricity. Okay, as a result, the bulb did not light up. Okay. Okay, so you must understand what are the information from the question. Okay, so A1. Okay, predict the type of compound for X and Y. Okay, so as I discussed earlier, okay, compound must have two answer: ionic compound or covalent compound. If okay, compound X, okay, X, okay, okay, kita dah tulis dah dekat situ, dia adalah covalent sebab cannot carry electricity, and Y can carry electricity, so this is ionic compound. Okay, so X is covalent and Y is ionic compound, so dapat 2 markah. Alright, jangan jawab selain daripada itu, because Y is metal lah, Y is acid lah, dan macam-macam lagi. Jawapan dia 2 je, ionic compound ataupun covalent compound. Okay, so question 2. State the reason why bulb did not light up in set A and set B. Okay, di sini saya nak tekankan, pertama kali you have to refer on the marks given. There are 2 marks, maksudnya ada 2 point dekat situ. Dan kalau soalan tanya kan set A and set B, maksudnya kamu kena explain satu-satu. Okay, what happened to the set A and what happened to the set B. Kamu tak boleh simply dia jawab because there is no free moving ion. Siapa yang no free moving ion, set A ke set B? Compound yang mana satu, X ke Y? Kamu tak mention, so tak ada markah. Okay, so kena buat satu persatu macam yang saya buat, yang di mana yang pertama set A, yang kedua adalah set B. So ceritalah dekat A ni kenapa cannot carry electricity, why bulb does not light up. Okay, because compound X does not consist of free moving ion. Itulah jawapan dia. Okay, mesti relate dengan free moving ion. Okay, why set B can carry electricity? Why set B the bulb is light up? Because Y consists of free moving ion. Okay, dapat dah 2 markah dekat situ. Okay, alright. So B, when Zikri changes propanon with solvent A in set D, bulb light up. Okay, so seperti yang kita tahu, dalam set D ni tadi, kalau kamu refer balik soalan, dia ada compound Y. Kan, betul tak? Dia ada compound Y. Tapi walaupun Y dia tak boleh dia not dissolve sebab dia dalam organic solvent. Itu dalam set D. Okay, sebab dia menggunakan propanon. Okay, sekarang dia ganti dengan suatu solvent A, and then dia boleh carry electricity. Okay, bermaksud A itu adalah water because compound Y, okay, it dissolve in water. Okay, Y is ionic compound. Okay, so ionic compound dissolve in water. When it dissolve in water, it will produce ion ataupun dia ionize to produce ion. Okay, now there are free moving ion to carry electricity. That's why the solvent A is water. Okay, ni pun sama, ada yang jawab hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, macam-macam lagi. Sodium chloride, bukan water. Bila cerita pasal solvent, dia ada 2 je, water ataupun organic solvent. Okay, so seterusnya. Okay, masuk soalan yang seterusnya, soalan nombor 3. Okay, so diagram 3 shows the observation in the test tube and test tube 1 and test tube 2 when hydrogen chloride in tetrachloromethane and hydrogen chloride in water are reacted with zinc powder. Bila kita baca hydrogen soalan ni, okay, kamu dah kena agak dah soalan ni di bawah tajuk yang mana. Sebenarnya soalan ni kalau kamu tengok dia ada berkaitan dengan hydrogen chloride. Okey, hydrogen chloride ni apa? Dia adalah asid. Okey. Tetapi dia dalam bentuk gas ataupun solid. Sekiranya asid dalam bentuk gas ataupun solid, okey, dia ada apa? Nama dia kita tak panggil dia hydrochloric acid, tetapi kita panggil dia sebagai hydrogen chloride. So sekarang dia cerita pasal dua solution. Tetrachlorometane maksudnya bukan water, and satu lagi water. Okey, kena ingat properties of acid, dia mesti ada water baru hasilkan ciri-ciri acid. Okay, acid just shows its properties of acid when the presence of water. Without water, acid cannot ionize to produce hydrogen ion. Kena ingat tu. Okay, so tetrachlorometane yang nombor 1, water yang nombor 2. Okay, kalau kamu perhatikan observation, okay, no change on set 1, but bubble gas produced on set 2. Bermaksud at set 1, hydrogen chloride ni exists as molecule because it cannot produce hydrogen ion, okay, to react with zinc powder. Sebab kamu kena ingat yang react dengan zinc tadi tu adalah hydrogen ion, okay. So sekarang tak ada hydrogen ion, tapi set 2 dia ada water. Bila water, dia boleh ionize kepada H+ NCl ion ataupun hydrogen ion and chloride ion. Yang react dengan acid ni adalah H+ ni sebenarnya yang react, bukannya chloride. Chloride tu dia apa ni? Dia berawang-awangan je lah kat dalam electrolyte tu. Okay, so sekarang ni dalam soalan ini, okay, kita tengok soalan nombor 1. Okay, state ions. Tengok betul-betul soalan, dia tanya pasal ions. State ions that causes an acid shows acidic properties. Apa yang menyebabkan ion apakah dalam acid yang menyebabkan dia menunjukkan acid properties? So hydrogen ion. Okay, without hydrogen ion, it cannot shows acidic properties. Satu lagi perhatikan kalau soalan kata state. So maksudnya kamu boleh write the formula, atau maksudnya H+ ion, ataupun kamu juga boleh tulis nama penuh hydrogen ion. Okay, salah satulah kamu boleh tulis nama penuh dia. Tapi kalau kata name the ion that causes an acid shows its acidic properties, kalau name kan tulis nama penuh hydrogen ion. Okay, satu markah. Okay, and then question 2, explain why there are difference in observation for test tube N1 and test tube 2. So dalam soalan ini jangan jawab balik observation, dia suruh explain daripada observation. Kenapa test tube 1 no reaction and why test tube 2 produce hydrogen gas? Kenapa? So sama juga bila ada dua markah, kamu kena cerita satu-satu. First cerita pasal test tube 1, yang kedua cerita pasal test tube yang nombor 2. Okay, so dalam test tube 1 ni cerita lah HCl kenapa dia ada reaction? Because HCl not ionized to produce H+ ion. Mesti relate dengan H+ ion. So test tube 2 because HCl ionized to in water to produce hydrogen ion. Okay, ataupun jawapan yang lain, hydrogen ion react to zinc atom to produce hydrogen gas. Tapi jawapan yang paling tepat bagi tahu yang dia produce hydrogen ion. Okay, so next nombor 3, write the chemical equation for the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid. Soalan nombor 3. Okay, so this one you have to memorize the process lah. Okay, ada beberapa tindak balas acid, kena ingat balik. Acid react with metal. Okay, acid react dengan metal, produce salt and hydrogen gas. Acid react dengan metal carbonate, produce salt, H2O and carbon dioxide gas. Acid react dengan alkali ataupun base, produce salt and water. Kena ingat ni. Okay, and then kalau formula betul, dapatlah satu markah, dan sekali kamu balance dengan betul, dapat markah yang kedua. Okay, so soalan seterusnya, Soalan nombor 4. Okey, saya dah conteng siap-siap sebab saya nak jimatkan masa, saya conteng siap-siap. Okey, so dia tanya the information about acid S and T. Okey, acid S and T. So dalam tajuk acid ni tolong ingat betul-betul ada beberapa jenis acid yang kamu kena hafal. Okey, yang kamu kena ingatlah. Okey, apa dia? Yang pertama HCl ataupun nama dia hydrochloric acid. HCl ataupun hydrochloric acid. Yang mana ini dia? HCl. Yang kedua HNO3. Yang ketiga H2SO4. Okey. Lagi apa lagi? H3PO4, phosphoric acid, H2CO3, carbonic acid, CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. 6 acid ini kamu kena tahu dalam syllabus kita SPM. Okey. Di mana yang sebelah kiri ni di sebelah kiri ni, okey, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4 adalah strong acid dan yang sebelah kanan ni adalah weak acid. Okey. So kamu kena ingat, walaupun dia ada 3 hidrogen dekat phosphoric acid, ada 2 hidrogen dekat carbonic acid, tak semestinya dia adalah strong acid. Okey. So monoprotic dan protic ini tak menentukan dia ni strong acid ataupun weak acid. Okey. Alright. So jom kita tengok acid S. S ada pH 5, maksudnya adalah weak acid. Weak acid ni pH dia daripada 3 hingga 6. Weak acid. Strong acid 0 hingga 2. Jadi T ni 1, maksudnya ada strong acid. Label saya siap. Strong acid. Okey. Okey. Nampak tu, strong acid. And then diprotic, apa maksud diprotic? Dia hasilkan 2 hidrogen ion. S weak acid, ada monoprotic. Maksudnya dalam monoprotic ni yang mana satu? Yang cuba tengok H3PO4, H2CO3, CH3COOH. Yang mana satu produce hidrogen, satu saja hidrogen ion. Jawapan ni adalah CH3COOH. Mungkin ada yang tanya, sir, kenapa CH3COOH ni dia adalah monoprotic, bukan hidrogen dia ada 4 ke? Sebab bila dia ionize, dia akan jadi CH3CO ion and H plus ion. Okey, yang CH3 tu dia tak pecah. Okey. So monoprotic adalah ethanoic acid. Okay, and then used in making fruit pickles. Okay. So jom tengok state the meaning of acid. So meaning of acid, bila berkaitan dengan definition, dalam ayat kamu mesti kena ada subject dan mesti kena ada properties. Ingat tu. So dalam definition kat sini, subjek dia siapa? Subjek dia ialah ini dia, chemical substance. Dan satu lagi, ionize in water to produce hydrogen ion. Nampak tak? Okay. Dan yang kedua, itulah dia, dapat 1 markah. And then soalan B, based on the information in table 2, state the name of the acid S and T. Okay. What is S, what is T? Jadi seperti yang kita jawab tadi lah. S tadi CH3COOH. So dia adalah ethanoic acid. Okay. Dan soalan suruh name, jangan tu pandai-pandai tulis formula. Okay, ramai pelajar jawab HCl, HNO3. Sebab apa? Sebab kamu tak ingat siapa dia strong acid, siapa dia weak acid. Dia tak ada formula. Kamu kena hafal yang mana satu strong acid, yang mana satu weak acid. Yang tu kena hafal kalau dia nak buat apa. Okay, so strong acid is T, sulfuric acid. Sebab sulfuric acid tadi diprotic. Okay. And then dapatlah 2 markah kat situ. Dan yang seterusnya soalan S and T. Okay, given have the same concentration but the pH value are different. Okay, the pH value are different. Alright. So bila dia kenapa different pH value? Sebab jangan jawab satu monoprotic, satu diprotic. Itu bukan menentukan dia adalah strong acid ataupun weak acid. Just bagi tahu lah, first point yang pertama dia adalah weak acid. Dan kena bagi tahu siapa weak acid, siapa strong acid. Jadi bagi tahu kat situ acid S weak acid. Okay. Acid S is a weak acid and acid T is strong acid. Dapat 1 markah. ada satu lagi jawapan kalau kamu jawab yang ni pun markah dia sama je. Okey, iaitu acid S ionized partially in water to produce low hydrogen ion, and acid T ionized completely in water to produce high concentration of hydrogen ion. Kalau kamu jawab macam ni, masih lagi dapat satu markah, tak dapat dua markah. Sebab apa? Point dia sama. Habis tu markah yang kedua apa? Markah yang kedua kamu kena tunjukkan relationship. Relationship yang mana? Relationship ini, yang nombor 3. Apa dia? Yang ni the higher the concentration of hydrogen ion, the lower the pH value. Nampak tak? Mesti kena menunjukkan relationship. Okay. So walaupun dekat yang saya highlight dengan colour pink tu nampak macam ada dua markah, tapi sebenarnya satu markah. Okay. So kena ingat soalan yang macam ni. Okay. Jawapan yang macam ni kalau dia melibatkan, okay, cuba tengok kat sini. Kalau dia melibatkan saya tulis kat sini kalau dia melibatkan strong acid versus weak acid, ataupun dia melibatkan strong alkali and weak alkali, baru jawab macam ni. Okay. Tapi kalau soalan tu dia tanya, okay, kalau dia tanya antara strong acid dengan strong acid, contohnya dia suruh buat comparison HCl dengan H2SO4, macam mana nak explain kenapa pH value dia berbeza. Okay. Ataupun dia cerita pasal weak acid dengan weak acid, contohnya H3PO4 dengan CH3COH. Satu lagi weak alkali, strong alkali and strong alkali, ataupun weak alkali dengan weak alkali. Macam mana nak explain? Okay. Kalau soalan yang macam ni, barulah kamu cerita pasal asid yang mana satukah asid yang mana satukah monoprotik dan asid yang mana satukah diprotik. Nampak dapat satu markah. Okey, yang mana satu monoprotik, yang mana satu diprotik. Yang kedua sama, cerita pasal relationship of concentration hydrogen ion. Okey. Contoh dekat sini saya tambah sikit lah Katalah soalan tu HCl versus H2SO4. Dua-dua adalah strong acid. Strong acid. Okey, let's say lah yang ni pH dia 2, yang ni pH dia 1. So soalan tanya, explain why the pH of H2SO4 and HCl is different. Macam mana nak explain? So kamu ceritalah dekat sini. Poin yang pertama, H2SO4 is diprotic. Tapi jawapan ni tak lengkap, kan dia cerita dua-dua. And HCl is monoprotic. Monoprotic acid lah and then point yang kedua, bagi tahulah kalau dah monoprotic produce 1 hydrogen ion, diprotic produce 2 hydrogen ion. So H2SO4 produce double hydrogen ion, ataupun 2 times greater hydrogen ion compare to HCl. Yang ketiga baru cerita the higher the concentration of hydrogen ion, the lower concentration of hydrogen ion. So dalam exam tolong tulis ayat penuh lah. Saya malas nak tulis ayat penuh, saya buat simbol saja. So itu saja perkongsian saya untuk video kali ini. Thank you.